Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in the new playlist which is logical reasoning. So do watch my earlier video where I've discussed about analogies. So today in this video we will see about essential part. So basically this type of reasoning will be having a question which will have an underlined word and followed by four options. So you have to select the one word from the options which is necessary part of the underlined word. Okay, so moving on to the first question. So we have book and the options are education, pictures, pages and knowledge. So we have to see which option is the necessary part of this book. So education is not necessary for book, pictures not necessary, knowledge not necessary. So if you observe, pages pages is the necessary part of the book because a book cannot exist with pages, so pages is the correct option. Let's move to the second question. So the second question is harvest. So we have to see which option is very necessary for harvest. So if you see winter, it's not related to harvest, neither stockpile, not tractor, because harvest is not done using a tractor, but harvest can be done either manually or using a harvester. Not actually a tractor is needed. So if you see, the correct option is crop, because if you do not have a crop, what is there to harvest? We have nothing to harvest, right? So crop is the correct option. Moving to the third question, guitar. So which is the most essential part of a guitar is we have to look out for. So if you see, music, not only using a guitar you can create music by using anything, any other musical instrument. Band is also not the correct answer. Of course guitar is an instrument, but there are many instruments like guitar. So the most important option is strings. So a guitar should essentially consist of strings because a guitar cannot be made without strings. Let's move to the next question, shoe. So if you look at the options, shoe. So what is the most essential part of a shoe? Is it leather? No, because shoe can be made up of any other material. Is it sole? Is it laces or is it socks? So socks and leather are absolutely out of the picture. We have to look at either sole or laces. But if you see, not every shoe has laces, but every shoe should have a sole. Okay, so all shoes will have sole. A shoe can be made without leather, and as I've told, not all shoes will have laces, and also shoes can be worn without socks, but there is no shoe without a sole. Next, the option is question is purchase. So for purchase, we have four options given: profit, trade, bank, and acquisition. So we have to see which is very essential part of a purchase. So basically, profit is not related to purchase, neither trade, neither bank, but it is acquisition, because when you purchase something means when you buy something, you acquire it, and that purchase may be related to trade or profit or a bank, but it cannot occur without them. You can buy anything on your own, which is yourself, what you call it as acquisition. Next is hurricane. So basically hurricane is related to what? So the correct answer is actually a wind, because we define hurricane as a violent storm which is accompanied by strong winds. It cannot exist without wind. So cyclone can occur without a wind, rain can occur without a wind, beach is existing without a wind or can exist. But hurricane is something who should always be accompanied by a wind. Next one is autograph. So if you look at the options, singer, president, signature and pen. So basically autograph is not only related to singer, anybody can give an autograph. Autograph is not only related to a president, anybody can do an autograph. Autograph cannot be always done by a pen. One has to remember that signature is an autograph, because how do we define basically an autograph as, or when we say it is an autograph, it is when it is the signature of a famous personality. So if there is no signature, you don't call it as an autograph. So signature is the most essential part. Moving on to the next one, faculty. So we have the options like school, teachers, textbooks and exams. So of course, one should understand that the correct option is teachers, because when do you use the word faculty? Faculty means what? Faculty is a group of teachers, and if there are no teachers, it means there is no faculty. And how are the other options eliminated? A faculty may teach in a school or in a college, so school cannot neither be an option, like to be the compulsory option. A faculty can teach with or without textbooks, not an essential part. And a faculty may conduct an exam or may not conduct an exam, so this is also not an essential part, but a faculty is a teacher. Moving on to the next one, vibration. How is this vibration linked to the other four options, or which is the most essential part for a vibration? The most important part of a vibration is motion. Unless until an object starts moving, or unless until an object starts vibrating, it does not cause a motion. And if the body is not in a motion, if I mean to say if the body is at rest, why will it vibrate? So vibration is interlinked to motion. Okay. Next one is glacier. So we all know what is glacier. Glacier is a huge mass of ice. So obviously the answer is ice. We don't say a mountain glacier or a winter glacier or a forest glacier. It's an ice glacier. So a glacier is a huge mass of ice which is made up of snow, and without ice you don't call it as a glacier. Next option is saddle. So basically, what is saddle? So is saddle used for, which is the most essential part for a saddle? Horse, stirrups, seat, or horn? The option is seat, because basically a saddle is a kind of seat which one uses to sit on an animal. So for anybody to sit on an animal and ride it, compulsory he needs a seat. It is generally used to sit on a horse specifically, and even for other animal also you can use. So that seat you see generally on animals where a person sits and rides is called as a saddle. So stirrups are not a mandatory part, but they are actually attached to a seat. But if there is no seat, there are no stirrups. It may be used, may not be used, depending on the type of the animal. And horn is not a mandatory thing. Okay, so the important part is seat. Moving on to the next one, cell. So, what is the most important part of a cell? So, one has to understand that nucleus is one of the most essential part of a cell. Without a nucleus, you don't call it as a cell. A nucleus is the most essential part of a cell. It is located at the center of the cell. Chlorophyll is not produced by cells, and not all cells are neurons, and all living entities, not just animals, are made up of cells. Even plants are also made up of cells. So these three options can be eliminated, and the right answer is nucleus. Moving on to the next question, medal. So when do you get a medal, or which is the most important option or essential option for us regarding medal? Swimming, winning, running, speaking? So if you do swimming, you get a medal, of course. You run, you get a medal. Speak, you get a medal. But ultimately one has to remember that a medal is awarded for the person who wins. If you win only, you get a medal. It could be any kind of game, it could be any kind of sport, it could be any kind of activity. If you win, you get a medal. Without winning, you won't get a medal. So option is winning. Next question is mobile phone. So mobile phone, what is the most essential part of a mobile phone? So most of us are using a mobile phone, and we have to identify the right answer in this. So basic operation of a mobile, what is the most important part? It's actually a SIM. Okay, a basic function of a mobile phone is to make and receive a call, and if this is possible only if you have a SIM card. And not all phones are having a touchscreen, or not all phones are having a keypad, or not all phones are having a hotspot option, but primarily it should accommodate a SIM. Next is painting. So painting related options are canvas, books, pictures, and colors. Let's identify which is the most essential part. So without colors, you cannot paint. So one has to remember that painting means colors. Books and canvas may not be necessary for painting. You can do it on a white paper also. And pictures, they can be taken with the help of a camera. But painting means colors. Nobody can paint without a color. Next question is temple. So the options given to us are offerings, God, priest, and flowers. What is the most essential part connected to a temple out of these four options? So is it offering? Is it mandatory to give an offering? Is it God? Is it priest? Is it flowers? So the correct option is God. If there is no God, you don't call it as a temple itself. You can offer or you cannot offer, that depends on you. It's not mandatory. Priest, some temples can have a priest, some do not have. Flowers, you can offer or you cannot offer, but ultimately you call it as a temple when it is having a god, when it's having a deity. So if there is no god, that place is not at all called as a temple. Next question is restaurant. So restaurant, related to this, the options given to us are ambience, air conditioner, rent, and none of these. Which could be the most essential part? Actually, the option is none of these for this kind of question, because um, there can be a restaurant that doesn't need to pay rent, because if the person is owning his own restaurant, he need not to pay rent. And some restaurants can have a bad ambience, some restaurants can have a good ambience, and the same with facility of air conditioner. Some may have, some may not have. So if you look at these three are actually related. So here we could say this is none of these. Moving on to the next one, fresh juice. So grinder, juicer, sugar, and fruit pulp. What could be the correct answer? Yes, of course, it is fruit pulp. Without a fruit, how would you make a juice? You forget, you can do it with a grinder, you can do it with a sugar. You can add sugar or you cannot add sugar. You can use it, do it with the help of a juicer. You can do it with your hand also. But what you need, the thing is, you need a fruit. So fruit pulp is the most essential part. Next is doctor. So what are the four options given to us? Medical degree, nurse, hospital, none of these. So the correct answer is medical degree. Okay, so nobody is called as a doctor if he or she doesn't have a medical degree. He's not eligible to be called as a doctor. So a doctor can treat patients without the help of a nurse and without a hospital also. But he should have a medical degree. And the next one is marriage, the last one. So what are the options given to us is temple, ring, same caste, and none of this. So what is the most essential part? Again, we go with none of these, because for a marriage, what do you require? Is it a temple? Not essentially. It can be done anywhere. Ring? Not essentially. Same caste? Not essentially. Initially, for a marriage, you require a bride and a bridegroom, which are not given to us. So the options are bride and bridegroom, and since they are not mentioned here, it is none of this. So guys, this is all about essential parts. Hope I have given you some light on this concept. Keep watching, and thank you.